Welcome everybody to part 2 of Bleach DIY fashion with Urban Threads. This will be a Duo Jeans project. So the first thing that we need is the liquid bleach toilet bowl cleaner. We also need some bleach. It was very sunny, so sorry about the lighting. We'll also need some tape. I used some Scotch painter's tape, but any tape will do. We'll also need a paintbrush. I ended up using a bigger paintbrush, which you'll see in the video. And then lastly, or not lastly, we'll also need a garbage bag. And then lastly, we'll need a pair of jeans. And it's very important that you use a light color jeans for this. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our jeans, we're gonna lay it flat down, and we're gonna grab our tape, and what we're going to do with the tape is we're going to tape along the pants to protect it from the bleach. So you're going to start with the outside of the jeans, just along the seam, and you're going to go all the way down the front. And then you're going to repeat it all the way up the back. And then just to be super safe, you're also going to do the inside of the jeans.
This pant leg that we're not
So like that, you're going to grab the
bleach on
into the half of the jeans. And this is just to super safe So again, I'm just taping it up, being super safe. You really want to protect that other half. So once we're done that, we're going to grab our bleach. We're going to pour it into, I'm using a measuring cup, but whatever you want to use. Make sure it's something that you're not going to use again. Then you're going to grab your brush and you're going to start painting the bleach on. So I start with the edges and I just make sure that I really soak it in, because you really want the bleach to soak into the jeans. So I'm going all the way down, starting with the outside and make my way in. Some do just dip it in bleach, but I think when you do it this way, you ensure that the bleach cover is very even and that you're getting everything. So here we have, you can see that the paint color changed a bit, but it didn't become the white light color that I wanted. So what I did is I took the liquid toilet bowl bleach, which has a bit of blue in it, and I painted that onto the jeans as well. I didn't rinse the jeans yet, I just added it right on top. So here we have, it's processing. We're gonna rinse it and in about 15 minutes. After we finish rinsing it out, we're gonna put it in the washer by itself, the same setting as the t-shirt for 20 minutes, delicate, quick, cold water. Then we're gonna throw it into the dryer. And then we're all done. Here we have it, your duo colored jeans. This is very trendy right now and super cute. You can do it with any old pair of jeans that you want to kind of spruce up. Thank you.